a project that is a part of JP Greens, an expansive 452-acre township with world's longest 18-hole golf course. हम बात कर रहे हैं The Islands by Gorski, which is located in JP Greens, Greater Noida. Let's take a detailed look at its unit plans, location, amenities, price growth, and builder analysis in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. The Islands by Gorse एक under construction residential project है that is spread across 2.23 acres, slated for possession in April 2030. Buyers can look forward to 9 towers with 37 floors, offering a total of 506 4 and 5 BHK homes. As per the project layout, the towers are arranged in a linear manner, overlooking the golf course on one side and Pari Chowk on the other. Each tower features only 2 homes per floor, ensuring privacy and exclusivity for residents. Interestingly, the project offers a skywalk on the 24th floor connecting the 8 towers, offering a wide array of amenities. अब नजर डाल लेते हैं homes के sizes and prices पर. 4 BHK homes offer a carpet area ranging between 3,681.79 to 4,866.28 square feet. These come with 4 beds plus bath, kitchen, living, dining, dresser, walk-in closet, storeroom and 3 balconies. For more spacious home, buyer can offer 5 BHK homes offering a carpet area of 6,011.26 square feet. These homes come with 5 beds plus baths, kitchen, living, dining, foyer, 3 dressers, 2 utility, a walk-in closet and 6 balconies. अब देखते हैं amenities में buyer को क्या-क्या मिलता है. This project offers a wide array of amenities at 3 distinct zones, that is the Orbit, which is a skywalk, Gold Coast Club spread across 30,000 square feet, and Ivory Coast. The clubhouse includes relaxing spaces, gym, coffee shop, library, workspaces, and party halls. It also features sports facilities like basketball, volleyball, bowling alley, along with indoor games. The skywalk provides space for recreation with open-air theatre, festival garden, reading zone, observatory deck, along with jogging tracks. One can also enjoy outdoor amenities like a swimming pool, children and senior citizen zones, activity areas, walking track and open gym. अब आते हैं project की location और price growth पर.
Buyers will be happy to see that the Islands by Gorse has already seen some fantastic price appreciation in the last 1 year, just like its locality.
Strategically located in Greater Noida near the Pari Chowk, it offers excellent connectivity via the Surajpur-Kasna Road and Yamuna Expressway. Its proximity to Delta 1 Metro Station, Alpha 1 Metro Station and Pari Chowk Metro Station is also an added advantage. In addition to this, major educational institutions, hospitals and entertainment sites are also nearby, enhancing convenience and accessibility for residents. Upcoming developments in this area include the Jewar International Airport and planned metro line from Knowledge Park 2, as well as the development of a link road between Noida and Knowledge Park 3, all of which will enhance trade and commerce in the region. Residents have rated the locality 4.3 out of 5 on the locality review section of 99 Acres, appreciating the metro connectivity and ample green space nearby, while the peeve points include increasing level of pollution. अब बात करते हैं पेमेंट प्लान्स की. इस प्रोजेक्ट में बिल्डर ने 3 कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक्ड पेमेंट प्लान प्रोवाइड किए हैं. The first one is normal construction linked payment, where buyers need to pay 10% at the time of booking, 10% within 45 days of booking, further 75% spread across the construction timeline, and the rest 5% on offer of possession. The other 2 plans are special payment plan, where buyers need to pay 10% at the time of booking, further 30% within 45 days of booking, another 30% on completion of superstructure, and rest 30% on offer of possession. There is also an option to opt for 25% at the time of booking, further 50% spread across the construction timeline, and rest 25% on offer of possession. Builder की बात करें तो Gorse Group has been a key player in real estate since 1995. They are recognized for their steady growth and high standards in architecture and engineering. The group specializes in residential, commercial and retail projects and works primarily in Delhi NCR region. They have developed more than 6 million square feet of area and successfully delivered 65 plus projects. Currently, 24 RERA registered projects are underway. Some of its projects in Noida that have seen healthy appreciation since its launch are Gaur Yamuna City, that has seen a 48.6% growth, and Gaur City 2, that has seen a 21.2% growth, all in the last 1 year. To buy and know more about this project,